We require fresh full cream cow milk and lemon juice to curdle the milk. So let's start making chhena. So I have added the milk to this pan, and make sure if possible use milk which is fresh, and don't use homogenized milk, that may give you a dry crumbly texture of chhena. And if use full cream cow milk for better result. We are going to stir it occasionally until it boils, and what I have done on the side is taken out juice from one lemon and added some water to it. So we are going to wait until it boils, stirring occasionally. So this milk is starting to boil. I'm going to switch off the flame, and now I'm going to just give it a stir first. Gradually add the lemon juice mixture to it, and don't add too much lemon juice, that will make your chhena chewy. Adding gradually. As you can see now, this is starting to curdle. Now you can see the milk is separating, and we are seeing a greenish liquid. So it is curdled. Now let's strain it. Here I have a colander with a dupatta here. You may also use a muslin cloth or a cheesecloth. Now let's add the chhena to it. Now we'll add some water to it to remove off the lemon sourness, as well as to make it cooler and make it softer. Now I'm going to gather the edges and squeeze out the water from it. So here I am making only small quantity, just 500 milliliters of milk. So now I'm going to give it a knot. Now hang this for around 1 hour. You can see this whey or the greenish liquid which you got from our milk. This is very healthy and very good for your health. You may use this for preparing your rice, preparing your rasam, sambar, your bread dough, chapati dough, naan dough, whatever you want to do with it, you can do. Don't throw this away. You can drink this. This is very healthy and very good. And if you want to curdle the milk again with this, you can do it, but for that you will have to wait until it gets sour enough to curdle the milk. Keep this in the countertop for 3 to 4 days and it will get sour. So we'll just wait for about 1 hour so that our chhena gets dried and all the excessive moisture is out from it. And I like to prepare rasam and sambar with this, so you can also do that. We'll have recipes of rasam and sambar also in our future sessions. So for now, let's wait until our chhena gets dried. Here you can see our chhena ball. This is being hanging for about 1 hour and this looks very dry and good. Let me open it up. Here you can see the ball. This is very good and very nice, very good. You can see very soft, not at all chewy.